Welcome to our intriguing exploration of millionaire math, where we dive into the numerical strategies that could catapult you to your first $1,000,000. Despite many aspiring for wealth, the step-by-step numerical journey remains uncharted by most. Here, we break down the math behind the millionaire dream, offering insights that could significantly alter your financial trajectory. So, hit subscribe, grab a notepad, and let's unravel the secrets to accumulating wealth $1 at a time. Number 1. Lifetime earnings. Surprisingly, the majority of individuals will earn over $1,000,000 throughout their careers. An average yearly income of $50,000 over 2 decades neatly sums up to $1 million. However, the reality of expenses often obscures this milestone, leaving many unaware of their potential wealth accumulation. Number 2. High-paying careers. Venturing into careers with substantial earnings can fast-track your millionaire status. Jobs that offer a yearly income of $100,000 could see you reaching the $1,000,000 mark in a decade. Excelling in your field could potentially unlock salaries of $250,000 annually, reducing the journey to a mere 4 years. Number 3. Wealthy professions. If wealth is your goal, aim for industries where money flows freely. Certain professions, such as finance, can start you at $100,000 annually, with bonuses that can skyrocket into the millions. Other lucrative fields include plastic surgery, internet security, and significant roles within tech companies, all offering substantial financial rewards. Number 4. Investment returns. For those with an analytical edge, investing in index funds like Vanguard could yield an average return of over 10% per year. Committing $100,000 early could potentially make you or your offspring millionaires, offering a substantial nest egg or an adventurous retirement funded by wise investments made in youth. Number 5. Publishing success. Venturing into self-publishing with an average book price of $9.99 offers most of the profit to you, contrary to the traditional publishing route's complex revenue sharing. However, achieving millionaire status through publishing requires significant sales, emphasizing the importance of mastering money multiplication rather than banking on altruistic purchases. Number 6. Doubling investments. The art of doubling money is crucial for aspiring entrepreneurs. This practice is less about luck and more about strategy, such as flipping products for a profit or investing in tools that enhance service delivery. Testing your entrepreneurial spirit through various methods of money multiplication can reveal your business acumen. Number 7. Real estate wealth. Real estate investment stands as a viable path to generating $1,000,000 in assets within 7 to 8 years. Starting with a modest down payment, savvy investors can leverage their credit to build a portfolio, proving real estate's potential for wealth accumulation. Number 8. Credit leverage. Understanding and leveraging credit is paramount in wealth building, particularly in real estate. A trustworthy relationship with banks can unlock funding for investment properties, with a 20% down payment often being the standard entry point to property investment. Number 9. Knowledge monetization. In today's digital age, e-learning offers a lucrative avenue for sharing expertise. Identifying a pressing problem and providing a solution can create a substantial income stream, as evidenced by the success of online courses on platforms like Udemy. Number 10. Subscription revenue. The subscription model, epitomized by services like YouTube Premium, demonstrates the modern economy's shift towards recurring payments for content and services. This model emphasizes the importance of offering continuous value to maintain and grow a subscriber base. Number 11. Real estate commissions. Real estate agents have a unique advantage in the market with a standard 3% commission on sales. To reach $1,000,000 in commissions alone requires a substantial volume of sales. Yet the real opportunity lies in leveraging market insights for personal investments. Number 12. Ad revenue. Digital content creators can achieve significant earnings through platforms like YouTube, with ad revenue varying widely based on content and viewer demographics. Diversifying income through merchandise, sponsorships, and product creation can accelerate financial success. Number 13. Cryptocurrency speculation. Speculative investment in emerging cryptocurrencies offers the potential for exponential returns. Early investment in projects with solid technological foundations can result in significant financial gains, emphasizing the importance of timely and informed decisions in the volatile crypto market. Number 14. Startup equity. Participating in startups offers the potential for substantial returns, especially for founders who retain equity through funding rounds. Understanding the value of equity over immediate payouts can lead to greater long-term wealth, as illustrated by cautionary tales of missed fortunes in tech history. Number 15, content licensing deals. High-profile content licensing deals, such as Spotify's acquisition of the Joe Rogan Experience podcast, showcase the potential for massive payouts in the content industry. These deals not only offer immediate financial rewards, but also demonstrate the leveraging power of content in negotiating lucrative agreements. This exploration of millionaire math reveals various strategies for wealth accumulation, from career choices and investments to content creation and real estate. Each path requires dedication, strategic planning, and a willingness to embrace opportunities for growth and learning. As we delve into these methods, the goal remains clear. Understanding and applying these principles can set you on the path to financial success and beyond. Engage with these concepts and let's multiply our way to a prosperous future.